What's up guys? Welcome back to Grunt Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to remove a Glock magazine base plate, and then I will be replacing them with the Pierce grip mag extension for the Glock 26. These are also known as the PG 26XL, if anyone was wondering. So first thing you want to do, make sure you take the mag out, make sure there's no round in the chamber, and then you just deal with these. So on the bottom of the mag, there's a little hole. You just get a tool to press that down and pull it off. They do have a tool for it. I don't have the tool, never used the tool. I just use a little screwdriver. And what you want to do is push that screwdriver in till you hear a click, and then pull it down, and then you'll see it come off. And then pull pretty hard, because Glock has a extra piece of plastic underneath this to help make sure that this is, I guess, more difficult to come off. But once that is loose, you want to put your thumb right here, because there's a spring underneath, and you can just pull that out, and then that will come right off. There's a little piece, and there's your spring. And so what you want to do is push that spring down, put this back facing up. You want to smash that down in there, hold it in place, grab your other one, and squeeze it over, and then it'll just snap right in place. So that's one. And then it's the old one. You can do whatever you want with that one. And same process. Take the screwdriver, push it in there till you hear it click, and then pull till you get that part. Sometimes it's real difficult to get past that little piece of plastic. Once you get there, it'll just slide right off. Same thing. Same process. Put that back on. These will just slide right on. Two. And last one. And there you go, it's all done. And there's the finished project. I needed this because my hands are much bigger than this Glock 26, so I need that little pinky room. But yeah, overall I think it looks good. I know it's a pretty simple process. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Very simple. And there you guys go. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below if you have any questions. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.